Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Kukhona into ayiphekayo uKevin Hunt lapha eWestern Cape. Kukhona into ayiphekayo lapha kwiStellenbosch. I'm sure seniyibonile indaba bafethu. Indaba eziphumile ke namhlanje akahlahlela indaba lezi ziphuma izolo but ke indaba eziphumile kuthiwa iStellis sesikwazile ukuthi siyithole isigning kabani kaMabasa. Sesikwazile ukuthi siyithole isigning kabani kaGodisang. Remember ke ukuthi vele iStellis sizo announce idefender abalisayinile lelisathanda terminate contract with iMamelodi Sundowns okuwumusa lebusa yabo. So ngizokhuluma ngobani ngizokhuluma ngoKevin Hunt. Mase ngikhuluma labadlali ababalandile yabo. Mwasubheke labadlali abalandile it's not just any typical players. Ngizokhuluma ngaye futhi ubani usinoxolo kwayiba. Labadlali labo nibabona emva kwakhe ubani uKevin Hunt akusibona nje noma ibapha abadlali laba azoba add kule squad esivele sikhona kwiStellis bazo add equality. If you remember abadlali basathana kubadedela abadlali vele bayiquality iStellis sathana kudedela equality, so they need equality ezokwazi ukuthi size i-team isuke lapha ezantsi iye phezulu iyokwazi ukuthi challenge lama club akhona yabo, oko Orlando Pirates, oko Mamelodi Sundowns, oko Sekhukhune yabo, oko Kaizer Chiefs, ama club akanjalo khona bezokwazi nabo ukuthi babuyele kwibhola laseAfrica. Right now badlala ibhola laseAfrica iCAF Confed, so they need quality players to challenge for iCAF Confed again. So ngizoqala ngobani ngoLebusa. uLebusa mwasubheke i-defense yayo iStellis. I-defense yeStellis right now ayikho mnandi i-defense yayo idinga equality, idinga umuntu one-experience. Mwasubheke Musa Lebusa, he has been with the Mamelodi Sundowns for the longest time. He has been with the Sundowns ever since. So a player like Musa Lebusa can bring experience with club enjengeStellis yabo. A coach like uKevin Hunt uyawathanda ama players akanje because he can work with ama players akanje, uyakwazi uwasebenzisa kanjani and uyakwazi ukuthi akhulume nawo yabo. Maningi ama players engawabala uKevin Hunt esewasebenzisile kuma club aphuma kona yabo, amnikeza something. Ama club ade eqala ukudlala uyawathanda kakhulu uKevin Hunt because mwasubheke uMoloyisana ngenzeka ajoine another club eqhamuka eGauteng mekuphela isizini yabo. Ngizokuthiwa nje usayine i-pre-contract but ke angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. So bayawadinga ama center back equality lapha emuva, so lo mjida lo Lebusa ueda leyo nto. Going to uGodisang. uGodisang is a player edlalela eMamelodi Sundowns, umjida kahle bedlala kakhulu phesheya yabo, bedlala kakhulu phesheya bamlona kwiSundowns. iSundowns ke ayimsebenzisi kakhulu lo mjida lo, nje bengamsebenzisi nje kakhulu iStellis sibone iopportunity ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bamthathe bamlethe kuyona iStellenbosch, because iStellenbosch right now baleka i-attack yabo ayikho mnandi yabo. Sikhulume nje iqiniso, ayikho mnandi i-attack yabo currently. They need players who are going to attack, they need players abazokwazi babadlalele lapha phambili babakorela amagoli. So balande bani uGodisang, umjida oyiwinger elikahle elizokwazi ukuthi li-add low pace. Basathana kudedela uMojela, umjida besathana kuba ne-injury enkulu kakhulu isikhathi eside nje uMojela belimele last season, so uMojela bamdedelile umjida due to ama disciplinary issues. Niyazazi ke indaba zakho uMojela, ngifuna ukuyikhuluma. Balanda nelinye i-attack kubani okuMabasa. uMabasa ke bafethu i-striker lesi Orlando Pirates, but ke umjida ngizokuthiwa bamsayine on a 6-month loan yabo. Umjida kwi-6-month loan kwiStellis. iStellis ke siyasidinga striker ever since balahla bani, ever since badayisa uIkram Reyners kuMamelodi Sundowns abakaze basithole leso striker leso sizokwazi simreplace kahle. Bamthenga uCupido, Ashley Cupido bemthenga le kwiCape Town Spurs, but ke ever since uAshley Cupido wafika akaze abanikeze lutho yabo. So umdlalo njengomabasa uzokwazi a-add leyo nto leyo, akwazi ukuthi abasize basukele ezantsi. And istrikers njengomabasa, istrikers sithanda uyena vele ubani yena uKevin Hunt. Ngizwile kuthiwa omunye umdlali futhi oyistriker esengikhohlwe kumbala bafethu uMorris naye ungobanye wabadlali ongenzeka abayijoyine iStellenbosch. iStellenbosch right now they are beefing up their squad, but ke indlela benza ngayo bahlakaniphile yabo. Abafuna ukubathenga abadlali yabo, ukubathenga no, babalanda ngama-loan okwamanje, babalanda ngama-loan. Mase kuphela isizini kungenzeka ama-loan abo abe permanent yabo, kungenzeka ngempela ukuthi abe permanent, but ke bafuna ukubona ukuthi lawa badlali laba balandayo bazokwazi nokuthi babasize basuke lapha ezantsi, because bakwi-danger zone ngempela. Uma beqhubeka bengadlali kahle bazohamba baye ku-FNFD bayojoyina i-Cape Town City. So let's hope labadlali ababalandayo ba-right yabo. Ezinye-ke zey'ndawo bafethu okumdlali uSinoxolo Kwayiba. uSinoxolo Kwayiba ungomunye wabadlali okungenzeka ayijoyine iSteelers. Ngizulekele iy'ndaba lezi kuthiwa uKevin Hunt uyamfuna ngempela uSinoxolo Kwayiba osathanda kurelease i-Orlando Pirates. Umjida usahlale 6 months with i-Orlando Pirates akaze ayithole kakhulu i-game time kwi-Orlando Pirates. Pirates idecide ukumbuyisela kwi-Chippa United. So i-Chippa United inethuba layo ukuthi imdayise umjida noma imgcine eqhubeka adlale ukuthi i-Chippa United bakwazi ukuthi yabo nabo ba end up maybe ku top 8 because with a player like uSinoxolo Kwayiba in your side ngeke ungakwazi ukuthi u-end up ku top 8. Vele uSinoxolo Kwayiba wayemnandi kwi-Chippa United. So i-Chippa United I don't think bazovuma kakhulu ukuthi bamdayise, but ke imali bafethu, imali I don't think i-club njenge-Chippa United ingamvalela kakhulu indlela. I don't think bangamvalela kakhulu indlela umjida. I feel like umjida bazomdedela yabo. So ngizokhuluma ngaye uKevin Hunt. I feel like uKevin Hunt usekwi-club right kakhulu yabo. uKevin Hunt right now usekwi-club right kakhulu ever since he left iBidvest. Ever since ikhathi zeBidvest. If ukhumbula kahle uKevin Hunt with iBidvest wayethola wonke umdlali ayemfuna because iVets yayimthengela abadlali. Right now usemalini right now usemalini. A coach like uSteve Barker wayengabafuna abadlali abakanje, wengayi kuyolanda abadlali abakanje. Yena wayenale belief le ukuthi yena uzoyidevelopela yena abadlali, uzoyilandela abadlali abaphansi ayikhulisele yena babe ama big stars. But ke a coach like uKevin Hunt is very very different than uSteve Barker. uKevin Hunt, he likes the best players. And when you have a team like iSteelers esinayo vele imali esizokwazi sikubheke mesifuna ukuyothenga abadlali, bazokwazi bamlandele lo mdlali loyo. iSteelers ke manje sisekhoneni yabo, sivaleleke ekhoneni ke right now iSteelers because sinolunye uhlobo lwa coach. Lo coach lo uthanda abadlali abantswempu kakhulu yabo, akathanda ukuyidevelopela yena abadlali mase yabadayisa yabo, which was something eyayenzeka kwiSuperSport. iSuperSport ke yayinenhlanhla yokuthi ibe nabadlali abantswempu abaqhamuka kwi-DDC yabo. iSuperSport ke ayingathanda ukuthenga yabo, yayingathanda ukuthenga nhlobo iSuperSport, yayibhilivela nje kakhulu kwi-DDC. Kanti ke iSteelers sasingenankinga nokuthenga yabo, sasithenga iSteelers, sabathenga ngoMojela under yena vele uSteve Barker, sabathenga ngoMojela, sabathenga ngoBasadini yabo, vele kwakuyiteam ethengayo. But ucoach okuSteve Barker bengafuna ukuthenga kakhulu, bengasiyena lo coach loyo othanda ukuspenda kakhulu imali kwemarket. But do you see, ever since he came uKevin Hunt ulanda the quality. Ngizwile futhi kuthiwa ofuna ukurecalla the player uJurgens ubedlalela iDurban City, kuthiwa uzomrecalla ukwi-loan right now uJurgens kwiDurban City, kuthiwa uzomrecalla abuye azojoyina yo sona iSteelers. Ngiyabona kodwa ukuthi khona into ayekhaya lumjida, kukhona into ayiphekayo.